Welcome to Skincare Queen YouTube channel, everyone. In this special video, I am going to show you how to detox your skin from inside out. Why is it essential for you to detox your skin? It's very essential to deal with the free radicals that are often causing skincare woes. Oh yeah, these free radicals that are released from our food are, accumulated toxins, okay, that cause skincare problem, like a lot of stubborn acne breakout and so many skincare problem, even so many health problem. So how do we use this magic of nature, okay, to tackle our skincare woe? So the first thing you want to do is to use apple cider vinegar, and make sure what you want is organic, raw, unfiltered type. You can buy any brand. You don't really have to buy this bragg's one. So I'm not recommend. It's not like I'm promoting this product. So just make sure what you get is the one with the mother. Okay, make sure what you get is the one with the mother, and make sure it's non-GMO and it's organic. Now, before I go further, I'm going to tell you the importance of apple cider vinegar to the skin. As you all know, this wonderful, raw ingredients helps to prevent acne breakouts, pimple. It also helps to soothe your skin, and it's going to exfoliate the skin. It will remove age spots and fight wrinkles and so many skincare products that we have. So this is why it's very important that we use it. A lot of people use it on the skin. Even on this channel, I've shown you how to use the diluted form on your skin. So I know you have watched the video. If you have not watched that video, you can search on the channel to watch it. But the one that I'll be doing for you today is the one you're going to use to detox your skin from inside out. It's very essential that we all detox our skin at least 3 times every week. It's good because we heat every day. That's why it's essential that we detox our skin also, if possible, every other day. Personally, I detox on Mondays, I detox on Wednesday and on Friday. Sometimes when I notice I eat a lot of junk, I have to make sure I detox more, right? So that's exactly how this works. So how do we get started? What you need is you're going to need 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar added to 250 ml of water. 250 ml of water is half of this water bottle, this kind of natural spring water, right? So this size is half of it is the 250 ml that you need. So you're just going to take 250 ml of water. I'm going to pour this here. So you're going to take 250 ml of water here. If you do not have a measuring cup of this type or even another one, you can look in the description box below for where to get your own. So 250 ml of water. Then you take your apple cider vinegar. Make sure you shake it very well, because the mother heart that we need, okay, it's actually it will settle at the bottom of it. So you need that is the most important part. So you need that part. You have to shake it very well. People that use apple cider vinegar without shaking it are not getting anything from it. So shake it very well. Then you're going to take 1 tablespoon. Don't forget to look in the description box below for everything I use to make this organic detox solution. So once you have that, you can just mix it gently. Then you're going to drink it. Drink as much as you can, but do not drink too much. Usually, the best time to take this is to take it in the morning before you eat, in the morning before you have anything in your stomach, and also when you're going to bed, few hours before bed. This is the best time to take this solution. These are wonderful treatments, right? So let's have a sip. Cheers to you. If you are new to taking this, you might feel like it's It's a bit yucky, but it's not that bad, because what it's going to do in your skin, the benefit of it far outweighs, the yuck, perhaps the yucky smell. But to me, it's not that yucky. It's just natural. It's just as if you are drinking an unripe apple that you blend and you add water to. That's just how it is. So it's not that bad, right? So that's exactly what we do. Excuse me, to get this out of the way. So make sure you use it constantly. Remember, like I always tell you on this channel, routine is very important. Why routine is very important? Ritual is more important. A ritual is a routine you are dedicated to. So you want to dedicate yourself to this, and you want to take it every other day. So like I said, I take it on Monday, I take it on Wednesday, then I take it on Friday. Also, when I notice that I maybe I went to party and I take a lot of food, right? I overload my system with so many food. I also do take it, because I know by that time my body is, packed with toxin that needs to be eliminated for me to have a lovely skin and glowing skin. So that's been said. That's about it for this video. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, you may be missing out a lot of goodness. As you all know, Skincare Queen, all we do here is to show you how to have beautiful skin, how to maintain your skin. Remember, your skin is the largest organ in your body. It's your duty to take care of it. Nobody will do this for you except you. So that's why it's very important that you take proper care of it, and that's what we do best on this channel. So do well by clicking the subscribe button and the notification icon to be notified when I upload new videos. Also, before I let you go, I have so many wonderful projects coming on this week, so you might want to click that subscribe button now to be notified. Like I said in my other video, I will be making skincare product live on this channel. I will not necessarily show you how to make it, but just to show you my process from A to Z, so that you know exactly what goes into your skincare product. Also, if you do not have any good skincare, or you are looking to have lovely beautiful skin just like you're seeing on camera, you can easily go to pureblendnaturals.com to get your own cream. One lotion that I always recommend for glowing, youthful, beautiful skin, radiant skin just like you're seeing on camera is AHA lotion, glowing skin lotion. This lotion is going to give you a younger, radiant skin. It's going to make you have a baby soft and beautiful, not only soft but strong, radiant, unique skin that is different from other skin out there. So thank you so much for watching. I'm going to catch you in my other video. Don't forget, click the subscribe button, the notification icon to be notified anytime I upload new video. Thank you for watching.